cloudy with a 50. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Millard County in central Utah, eastern Joab County in central Utah, southwestern Utah County in northern Utah, southeastern Tualatin County in northern Utah, until 12:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 11:58 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Pleasant Grove to 8 miles east of Delta, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Interstate 15 between mile markers 185 and 273. Bus Route 6 between mile markers 97 and 177. Bus Route 50 between mile markers 94 and 95, and between mile markers 130 and 134. Locations impacted include Provo, Payson, Nephi, Scipio, Orem, Spanish Fork, Springville, Eagle Mountain, Linden, Santaquin, Mapleton, Salem, Elk Ridge, Woodland Hills, Rocky Ridge, Cedar Ford, Vineyard, Brigham Young University, Palmyra and Lake Shore. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents.